Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a really nice 2009 Honda CBR1000RR that I want to show you. This is the Repsol edition and it's in beautiful condition. Adult ridden, garage kept. You just don't see a 2009 sport bike like this in this kind of just excellent condition very often. The tires on it look just almost new, front and rear. Lots of tread left on them. Beautiful Repsol custom, factory custom paint on this bike. 1000cc, actually it's 998cc liquid cooled inline 4-stroke 4-cylinder with a 6-speed inverted forks, large diameter front disc brakes, matching powder coated rims look beautiful on here. That's a deep metallic blue paint, red, orange and white, aluminum frame. Bike runs great. We ran it through the shop and checked it out to make sure everything was in good shape. Chain sprockets in nice shape. Didn't see any indication at all that it had ever been over on its side. All the body and plastic looks real nice on it. I saw up here, looks like there may be just a tiny little rock peck or two on the front. You just can't hardly even see them whenever you back off from it. And then back here on the tailpiece, there's a little rub right here and a little rub right here where the paint looks like it may have been could have even been buffed off or something. It didn't look like it was scratched or anything. Check it out, take the mileage and let you give it a listen. This bike has got 14,727 miles, just unbelievable on a sport bike with that many miles to be in this kind of condition. Somebody really took good care of it. Upgraded adjustable shorty hand grips or levers there. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Engine sounds good and tight. There's not any kind of smoke or anything like that, or no engine noise at all. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. It's like just a minor little scratch right in here, probably from a boot or something maybe. But all the edges of the foot pegs are smooth. Frame sliders are nice and clean. End of the grips, edges of the mirrors, just no indication at all that it's ever fallen over. You can see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.